Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna make you Jamaican Escovitch sauce, right? And this is very nice to have on your fish. So I'm gonna show you the steps as how to make it, and it is pretty simple. 1, 2, 3. And these are my lovely ingredients for my Escovitch sauce, guys. I'm using onion, I already chopped it, and I'm using bell pepper, I'm using yellow and green, and I'm using carrot already chopped, and I'm going to use 3 pepper, soon cut them up, and I'm going to use some pimento seed. And these are my natural herbs, right? All right, so first thing, guys, I want to turn your flame down and very low, the lowest there is. I'm gonna add some white vinegar right here in my pot, and allow it to warm. 2 cups. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna add use 2.5 cup right there of vinegar. So right now I add 2.5 cup of vinegar, and I have my flame on the lowest there is, just for it to warm. I don't want it to boil, guys. I don't want your vinegar to boil, just warm, right? All right. So okay, so now here I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. All right, I'm using a cork right here. All right, that's about. All right, so it's 1 tablespoon there is. So now, guys, I add 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, in my pot and allow it to hot. So there you have it, guys. Just a little bit of oil, not much. You don't need more than that. A tablespoon and you're good, just to grease the pot bottom, really, right? And I'm gonna go in with my onion first, just like that. My onion, guys. All right, next I'm gonna add my carrot. Just throw them in like this. All right, all right, I'm gonna leave this over here. What you want to do, you just want to get this saute. Turn down your stove. So okay, guys, I'm sauteing my onion and my carrot for a minute. So while that is sauteing, I'm just gonna cut my pepper. And guys, I'm just gonna cut it in 2. You could cut it up smaller if you like, but I'm just cutting them in 2 because this pepper is very hot. You understand? Right, that's it right there. All right, so we want to tend to our liquid over here, which is this is the vinegar, right? And the vinegar is warm. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my pimento grain in here now. All right. All right, so guys, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of white sugar to my vinegar right here. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the stove now from my onion and carrot. Right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my vinegar. Yeah, okay, good. I'm gonna add my vinegar to it. Just like that. All right, and then I'm gonna add my peppers right here, guys. Just do it. Turn off the stove right here. And last is my bell pepper. Right. Okay. So there you have it, guys. The seasoning for your Escovitch sauce right here, already done. Alright, so I'm gonna just put these in a container right here. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Pretty easy, quick and simple. Your Escovitch sauce, nice flavor for your fish. So you know the video for the fish is coming pretty soon, right? So yes, guys, Escovitch sauce done on BLFTv. Big up on yourself.
BLFTv.
BossLady Fayna Tv.
BLFTv.
BossLady Fayna Tv.
BLFTv.
BLFTv. And them lock the road.
You know the style. BossLady Fayna.